Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soda makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to save money on carbonated drinks, reduce single-use plastics, or simply enjoy fresh fizzy water at home, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Original Soda Maker by Peak Bliss. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a straightforward, no-frills soda maker. Priced at just $39.97. This model is a great entry point for anyone new to home carbonation. Key features include a one-touch operation and a BPA-free 1-liter PET bottle, which ensures your fizzy drinks are safe and eco-friendly. In terms of design, the matte black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well in any kitchen. Its compact dimensions of 16.7 inches by 4.9 inches by 9 inches make it ideal for smaller spaces. While it lacks advanced features like adjustable carbonation levels, its simplicity is its biggest strength. This soda maker is compatible with most standard screw-in 60L CO2 carbonators, though you'll need to purchase the cartridge separately. Performance-wise, it's reliable for basic carbonation needs, but it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty users or those looking to customize their fizz levels. The lightweight design makes it portable, but some users report that the machine feels less durable than higher-priced models. Overall, the Original Soda Maker is a solid pick for casual users and small households. Pros: affordable, eco-friendly, compact design. Cons: limited features, less durable build, CO2 cartridge not included. At number 4, we have the Oscavia sparkling water machine. This soda maker stands out with its enhanced air charge system, which allows you to infuse CO2 more efficiently into your beverages. Priced at $62.69, it delivers great value for its features, including 2 BPA-free bottles for added convenience. It's perfect for households that enjoy experimenting with flavored drinks, as you can infuse fruits and syrups directly into the bottle without losing fizz. The design is modern and functional, featuring a hidden stand for added stability during operation. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for smaller kitchens, and the lightweight body ensures portability for outdoor gatherings or parties. Unlike some models, the Oscavia soda maker offers adjustable carbonation levels, giving you greater control over the fizz in your drinks. However, like most soda makers, you'll need to purchase the CO2 cylinder separately. In terms of performance, the Oscavia machine excels at producing consistent carbonation and sparkling beverages. Users appreciate its ease of use, as it requires no electricity or cords. It's also an eco-friendly option, capable of reducing up to 180 single-use plastic bottles per cylinder. While it's slightly more expensive than budget models, the added features, including the ability to infuse flavors, make it well worth the investment for families or cocktail enthusiasts. Pros: efficient carbonation, 2 reusable bottles included, flavor infusion capability. Cons: slightly bulkier design, CO2 cylinder not included. Taking the third spot is the Philips Sparkling Water Maker ADD4901BKOQ37. Known for its stylish design and seamless performance, this soda maker offers advanced carbonation technology for precise control over your fizz levels. Priced at $56.78, it sits comfortably in the mid-range category, making it a great option for users who want a balance of affordability and quality. The sleek black finish and compact build fit beautifully into any kitchen, and its BPA-free carbonating bottle ensures safety and durability. The quick-twist installation process is user-friendly, and the machine operates without needing electricity, which is both convenient and energy efficient. You can easily customize your carbonation levels with 2 to 3 presses, tailoring each drink to your preferences. Performance-wise, Philips delivers consistent results thanks to its precision engineering. It's compatible with standard screw-in 60L CO2 carbonators, though the cylinder must be bought separately. Its eco-friendly design reduces single-use plastic waste, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. While it's slightly heavier than some models, the build quality and ease of use make it a standout in this price range. Pros: stylish design, precise carbonation control, eco-friendly. Cons, CO2 cylinder not included, slightly higher weight. At number 2, we have the Philips Soda Streaming Machine ADD4902BKOQ/37. This model is slightly more affordable than its sibling at $50.99, but still packs a punch with its functionality and design. It features a stainless steel build for added durability and a compact footprint that fits neatly on any countertop. The included quick twist 1-liter PET carbonating bottle is BPA-free, ensuring safe and long-lasting carbonation. One of the standout features is its advanced carbonation technology, which delivers perfectly fizzy drinks with each press. Users can repeat the carbonation process 2 to 3 times to customize the bubble intensity. Like other Philips models, this soda maker operates without electricity, making it ideal for outdoor use or kitchens with limited outlets. It's compatible with standard screw-in 60 liters CO2 carbonators. Although you'll need to purchase the cylinder separately, the machine's eco-friendly design and precision engineering make it a strong contender for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on single-use plastics while enjoying fizzy beverages. While it lacks the flavor infusion capabilities of some competitors, it excels in simplicity and reliability. Pros: durable stainless steel build, customizable carbonation, affordable price. Cons: CO2 cylinder not included, no flavor infusion. And finally, taking the top spot is the ISI North America Classic Soda Maker. This premium soda maker is priced at $86.99 and offers unmatched quality and performance. Designed for both home and professional use, it's ideal for sparkling water enthusiasts, cocktail lovers, and even restaurant settings. Its elegant design features a sleek stainless steel mesh cover and a high-impact plastic head with a dripless spout for mess-free pouring. What sets the ISI Soda Maker apart is its user-friendly carbonation process. Simply fill the BPA-free bottle with water, secure the head, and charge it with ISI soda chargers, sold separately. The result is instant fizz for sparkling water, juices, wine spritzers, and handcrafted cocktails. The included measuring tube, charger holder, and dust cap make it even more convenient to use. Durability is another highlight of this model, thanks to its Austrian craftsmanship and innovative design. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the ISI Soda Maker offers exceptional value for those who demand professional-grade performance and stylish aesthetics. Pros: premium build quality, professional-grade carbonation, versatile beverage options. Cons: high price point, chargers sold separately. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 soda makers available in July 2025. If this video helped you make a decision, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.